Yan. So, Sabado ulit, ride ulit ang SQ Kapadyak Team. Ang ruta po namin ngayon is Apuntan ng Rosales, Bayan Balongo po kami, mga Kapadyak. Let's go!
I was living could stop serving rocks, knowing the cops is hot when I'm on the block. And I wish my brother would've made bail so I won't have to travel 6 hours to see him in jail. And I wish that my grandmother wasn't sick, or that we would just come up on some stacks and hit a lick. And I wish my homies wouldn't have to suffer when the streets get the upper hand on us and we lose a brother. And I wish I could go deep in the zone and lift the spirits of the world with the words within the song. And I wish I could teach a soul to fly, take away the pain out your hands and help you hold them high. And I wish my homie Butch was still alive and know the day of his death we had never took that ride. And I wish that God could protect us from the wrong, so that all the soldiers that were sent overseas come home. And we will never break, though they devastate. We shall motivate and we gotta pray, all we gotta spay. Instead of thinking about who gon' die today, the Lord is gon' help you feel better, so you ain't gotta cry today. Sit at the light so long, and then we gotta move straight forward, cause we fight so strong. So when right go wrong, just say a little prayer, get your money, man, life goes on.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away. And be hopeful, hopeful, and he'll make a way. I know it ain't easy, but that's okay, cause we hopeful. Yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it, let it take you away. And be hopeful, hopeful, and he'll make a way. I know it ain't easy, but that's okay.
Nag-video ko, pero pinukam ko sa kasi Christopher.
Jape! Shout out! Shout out!
Alright mga kapadyak, ayan, nakarating na po kami sa Akop Watershed. Ayan, so pa-view naman, videographer, mga kasama natin mga bikers over there. Nakaw, survey. Awanagan mo ah. Nakaw, 100 plus. Oy. Okay, panalo. Sa bunot. Tingnan, bagay. 5-7. Ay! Down. Ay, down. Yan nga mo ba? Down 126. 126. 33. Ayaw, wala.
Kuya ka.
42! Terry! Santa Cruz Tigua, grand prize!
Sa asawa ko talaga mag-ride. Kasama siya na. Ulit! Kita!
Mama, medyo nagpakada!
Karo yun! Ayan na. Hanga nagbutag.
Sana nagbukaw.
Tay.
Shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Bravely Medina. Let's go, nega.
Hello.